Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back. Today, we've got some exciting news about the upcoming iPhone 16 series. If you're as hyped about Apple's latest innovations as we are, then stick around because we've got all the juicy details you need to know. Let's kick things off with the iPhone 16. Apple is sticking to what works with a 6.1-inch display, the same size we've seen in its predecessor. It's a familiar and beloved form factor that many users have come to appreciate. This model will retain the classic 19.5 to 9 aspect ratio that we've seen in current iPhones. Now let's talk about the iPhone 16 Pro. This model is getting a substantial upgrade with a larger 6.3-inch display. But that's not all. The aspect ratio is changing to 19.6 to 9, making it the tallest and narrowest iPhone we've ever seen. This new aspect ratio is designed to enhance your viewing experience, giving you more screen real estate without making the phone too wide to hold comfortably. And for those who want the ultimate iPhone experience, the iPhone 16 Ultra is here to impress with a massive 6.9-inch display. Yes, you heard that right, minus 6.9 inches. This also features the new 19.6 to 9 aspect ratio, making it sleek and tall, perfect for immersive content consumption and multitasking. But it doesn't stop there. This change in dimensions isn't just a one-off. Apple plans to carry over these new screen sizes and aspect ratios to the iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Plus, projected for release in 2025. So, this is the beginning of a new era for iPhone design. The increase in screen size for the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Ultra is anticipated to provide more space for substantial camera enhancements. While we don't have all the specifics yet, the larger screens could mean bigger sensors, more advanced optics, and improved overall photography and videography capabilities. Stay tuned for more leaks and updates on this front. So, to recap, the iPhone 16 series is bringing some exciting changes with larger screens and a new aspect ratio, especially for the Pro and Ultra models. We're looking at a significant shift in how we interact with our devices, and we can't wait to see these in action. What are your thoughts on these changes? Are you excited about the larger displays and potential camera upgrades? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates. Hit the bell icon to stay notified about our latest videos. See you next time.